Hi guys, so today I'm in the Cabinet Mountains in Idaho and hiking into a waterfall. I photographed this one last year in the late spring, early summer. The water levels were pretty high. There's just no way to really access the stream. So today I'm back in here. It's fall, the water levels should be quite a bit lower, although it has been raining. But I got chest waders now, so I should be able to wade up the stream to get in there to photograph it. Brought some trekking poles with me too, just to give me a little bit more stability when I'm when I'm wading up the stream. So I'm making my way in there now, so shouldn't be too long. It's not too far in there, so it shouldn't take me too long to get in there. But otherwise I probably wouldn't be wearing these waders because they're really not the most comfortable thing to hike in. But I'm gonna finish making my way into the stream and take a look around and see if I can get up to the waterfalls. Alright guys, so I made it down to the stream. I'm standing in the stream right now. Behind me, and then that's what's up ahead of me. So it's gonna be a little bit of a trek up in there. Hopefully it doesn't get too deep. Hopefully these boots got good traction on these rocks. Okay, so I'll start making my way up in the canyon. Waterfall should be right up there, not too far, probably just out of view. But start heading up there. So I made it up to the falls. A little bit of ice on the sides there. I'm not real excited about that, but not a whole lot I can do about it. But I'm gonna start looking around to find a composition I can shoot. It's a little bit breezy down in here, so spray is going to be an issue with taking the pictures, but we'll see if we can work around it, or maybe find a spot where the breeze isn't happening. But I'm gonna take a look around here and see what I can find. All right, guys. So I think I found a composition that I like. It's gonna work, but I'll give you a look at the scene here. So up in here, closer to the rock wall further up here in the canyon, there's not as much wind, so I don't have a whole lot of issues with spray up in here, so that's pretty good. Kind of dark in here, so getting some pretty long shutter speeds. Having to do some adjustments to my settings just to get some get one where it's fast enough to get a little bit of detail in the water, but not sure how all that's going to go. I'm using these two big logs here in the foreground. It's kind of some interest, and I might try and once I figure out which shot I want, I might try and put it into Photoshop and see if I can get rid of that ice, but I don't know if that's going to work out or not, but I'll give it a try. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the shots and start making my way out of here. It's going to be dark here in probably about an hour, and I'd really prefer to be out of this canyon by then, so I'd like to have enough light so I can see the rocks in the bottom of the stream when I'm hiking out of here. But I'm going to go ahead and get the shot and then get out of here. Well guys, I made it back out of the canyon. I'm walking down that logging road heading back to the truck, and it was getting pretty dark in there. It's kind of hard to see the rocks underneath the surface with the glare on the water. Would have helped to add some polarized sunglasses, but that would have made it even darker. So glad I made it. Head back to the truck now and get out of here. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you like the content on my channel, consider subscribing. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.